Hello friends, good morning to all of you. And in this class, I want to tell a wonderful story. I want to tell you how to make a story in English language. It's a very simple process, and with the help of this making story skills, you can improve your spoken skill very good. So let's start. Let's suppose I went to my friend's marriage yesterday, and I want to tell this story with my friends. So how can I express this story? Let's see. First, I will say I woke up early at 6 a.m. yesterday. I took bath, I got ready, and I took a bus and went to my friend's home. He was very happy when he saw me. He met me with his parents, with his sisters, and with his whole family. His family was such a good family. They treated me very well. I liked their village. Their village was very good, very neat and clean. He asked me, "Is there any problem to come here?" I replied him, "No, my friend, I am alright." I danced there in the marriage. I celebrated the marriage very good. All the relatives of his family feel very good. They are enjoying very much. At last, I stayed there almost 2 hours. And then I came back to my home. I reached my home almost 5 p.m. I took some rest and took some food and felt comfortable. Okay, this is the very common sense of making story. When we make story, we learned a new sentences. Okay, this is a very good skill. You can also make the wonderful stories and improve your English as much as you want. So friends, I hope you understand that. What was I feel? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.